Okay, if you guys were wondering, yes, this is the exact same shirt that I was wearing in my last 2 videos from 2 days ago, and no, I did not wash this, so it smells like onions and all of that under there, but you know what? It's freezing, and this is what we're gonna deal with. So now that I've gotten that out of the way, we can start the video. Hey y'all, and welcome to today's video. Today is the day we finally have all 3 of our Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I know it's not exciting anymore. You've already seen all the spoilers, lots of unboxings. You probably won't watch this one because obviously you've seen them all already. You know what's coming in the box. But you know what? I finally have all of mine. You know what I do love about this is that all of my boxes came at the exact same time. They didn't scatter them out. I'm not like waiting and waiting for another box after I've gotten the first one. So I actually like that, even though I had to wait longer, I know, but all of them came at one time. So I'm very excited, and I hope there's like more added protection that there. Do you hear the thunder? It's like flooding and storming out there. Anyways, I hope there's some added protection in these boxes. In this box, since like they're all in here, maybe they won't be like shuffling around, because I saw some broken palettes, broken peppermint frost palettes, and oh my god, I would cry. So we need to open this up. My god, it is storming outside. Okay, let me get my knife because I did locate it. I could not find it in one of my last videos, but here it is, Mr. Smith & Wesson. So we're gonna open this baby up and get into the video. And while I am opening this, I just want to say that in this video we are going to be doing a giveaway. I don't know exactly what we're going to be giving away yet, but just stay tuned till the end of the video, because I'm not sure how I want to do this giveaway, but I do have the Mini Controversy palette to give away, and yeah, so we will see what comes in this mystery box, if there's going to be anything added, and I can explain to you everything and all the details. So I can go ahead and say that you do. It's like really scary outside. If you do enter my giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel, so I can go ahead and tell you that. And holy crap, I feel like I should show you outside because it's like literally so scary. Let's go show you. Let's go on a field trip. Look outside. Insane. Oh, you can tell that I messed up on my eye right there, but I didn't feel like getting it because you can't really see. I just can't. Okay, field trip is over because I almost broke my phone. So anyways, yeah, even school was let out early today, but you guys don't care. I'm just gonna get into this. So here we have the boxes inside, all nicely wrapped up. So I'm excited that they are nice and secure. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them all out and set them up in the back so we can really get into it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start by opening up the small one and see what we got in here. I think just by the velocity, the speed, and the sound, and the volume, I don't know, I feel like there's a lip scrub in here. So let's see what lippy we got. I don't know, maybe I could be wrong, but I'm just guessing by the shakeage that there's probably a lip scrub in here. So let's just take a look. Oh, okay. There is a lip scrub in here. We have chocolate covered strawberry, so I'm really excited about that. And then the lipstick we got is 818. Yay! I really wanted that one. And then we have these stickers, which are freaking adorable. Cannot wait! And we're going to be giving away stickers in this video too, so stay tuned. I want to take a look at this lip scrub really quick, because this is one that I wanted to buy myself a very long time ago. So yeah. Oh my god, it smells like a chocolate covered strawberry. And then we have to obviously taste it. It's close. It's close. So chocolate covered strawberry, Then we have the shade 818. So excited. Like, oh, this shade is so pretty. So here we go. Here we have it. Let's swatch. I don't want to waste any time. Okay. Oh my God. So pretty. Here's 818. Yay. Okay. Now we have to get to this box. So excited. All right, you guys have no idea how excited I am about this box. Okay, here we go. Opening her up. Okay, Jeffree, give it to me. Don't make me beg for it. Jeffree. Oh, Jeffree. Jeffree, come on, Jeffree. Okay. Oh, we're in like swimwear. Okay, more stickers, super exciting. That's going in a giveaway. Okay, what skin frost do I have? Dark Horse. Okay, this one is not a shade that I can actually use, but I do want to open it and see if I want to keep it or add it to a giveaway, because I used the mystery one as a, you know, no, you don't know, an eyeshadow. Oh yeah, this is way too dark, but we will see if we ever want to use this, and if not, we will throw it in a giveaway. Not entirely sure. Here we have the Blue Blood palette. Oh my God, I am so excited for this. You have absolutely no freaking idea. Jeffree, how do I get in here? Oh my God. ASMR. Okay. Oh, look at this clasp. Okay. Oh my God. It is so pretty. Look at it. Look at it. Look. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to play with that. Oh my God. Let me set it down somewhere safe. Nowhere in this room is safe. Okay. And then what else do we have? 2 more shades. Please let this be something crazy. We have Coral Fixation. I'm so excited. I wanted this shade. Oh my God. I was like, please let there be a crazy shade in here. Yes. So we have Coral Fixation. I'm so excited for this. You have absolutely no idea. Look at this. See, this is what I love about the mystery boxes, is you get shades that you would never buy yourself. And yes, I'm so excited for that one. And then we have the mystery one, which you guys wanted me to swatch with poinsettia, so I'm gonna do that. So let me go get poinsettia. I'll be right back. Okay, so we have the 2. This one is poinsettia, this one's the mystery. Clearly there's a difference. This one is a lot lighter, this one's a lot darker. So let's swatch poinsettia first. Okay, so that's poinsettia right here, poinsettia. Then the mystery shade. Oh yeah, definitely darker. So there's a difference. You can't really tell on camera, which is probably why we were all thinking it was the same. But in person, this one is definitely darker. Actually, you can kind of see the difference the further back I do my hands. So that's what came in my mystery box number 2. Now for the Big Daddy. This one is the most exciting mystery box ever. So come on, let's get into it, guys. Oh my God. Okay. So here's the hoodie. So excited for it. You have no idea. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, y'all, I cannot wait. We have Jeffree, freaking star hoodie, stars down the sleeve, and iconic on the back. I'm so excited. Woo! I'm gonna put that on in a minute. And then we have a Supreme Frost and Caramel Kiss. I have gotten this one before. So we're just gonna look at it together. I kind of wanted Candy Apple Drip, but that's okay. I just actually gave this one away. Maybe I'll just keep this one for, you know, fun. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but anyways, let's move on. We have another lipstick in the shade Clout. So excited for this one. It is so pretty. Here it is. Let's give it a shake. Whew, okay. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is a very pretty shade. Okay. There is Clout. And then we have the shade, oh, Huntington Beach. I'm so excited. Okay. So freaking excited for this one. I've really stepped out of my comfort zone with like crazy lips. So I'm like so excited when I get a crazy one because like I can really make them work now. Like I figured out how to do that. There's Huntington Beach. So excited for that one. And then we have the Thirsty palette. So excited. We're going to be giving this away for sure. Here is the straw, and you have the straw cleaner in here. It looks like a peppermint. Love this. Then we have more stickers. This will also be going in a giveaway. And then the absolute most exciting thing in the bunch is the Frost palette. Oh my god. Woo! Here it is. Wow. You can really smell the peppermint, can't you? Oh my god. Here it is. Oh my god. It smells like peppermint. It's so pretty. Look. Oh my god. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at these shades, you guys. Like the swatches online, you couldn't tell a difference really between the shades, but you can tell that's pink, that's gold, and that's chocolate for sure. Oh my god, I had such good mystery boxes, you guys. Good lord, I'm so freaking excited. I know it doesn't show, I have a headache, but I'm like so excited. Okay, so let's get on with this giveaway that we are doing in this video. Okay, so I'm going to be giving away this Jeffree Star Thirsty palette to one lucky person. And let me just show you what the palette looks like. I know you guys pretty much know what it looks like, but I'm going to show you. And here it is. Thirsty palette. So freaking pretty. Love it. And then we're also going to be giving away, let me get it, the mini controversy palette. Yay! So this is something people have been wanting, and now I can finally give it away because I finally got it in the mail. Let me find mine so I can show you it. I'm telling you, I am so unorganized right now that I cannot even stand it. I'm about to buy a humongous makeup desk with tons of storage so I can finally freaking, you know, organize my makeup so much better. Here's the mini controversy. This was mine. This one is so pretty. I'll probably upload my controversy look today because I've had it edited forever. I just haven't uploaded it, but I love this palette. It's so pretty. And yeah, so we're going to be giving that away. So you guys, 2 palettes to give away in this video. We have the Thirsty and the mini controversies. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how you guys can win these 2 palettes. Number 1, you need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Whatever you want to say, it doesn't matter. You don't have to say anything at all. And leave your Instagram or Twitter handle or your email if you don't have either, so I can contact you if you win. The second entry into my Goblet of Fire, an added bonus for you to be drawn into the giveaway, is head on over to my Instagram, follow me there, and you will see my giveaway photo. Go ahead and give it a like and comment on that photo. And for a third added bonus on Instagram, you can screenshot my photo and post it on to your Instagram account and, you know, just hashtag Connorkrystmas. It's actually funny because my last name is Connorkrystyn. So Connorkrystmas, you can hashtag Connorkrystmas, kind of like Jaclyn Hill Christmas. I don't know, I got the idea from that. And just, you know, post it to yours. You can delete it once you know, the giveaway is over, but just hashtag Connorkrystmas on that photo that you shared onto your Instagram page, and just leave a comment or whatever you want to on the photo that you repost. And then for a fourth chance, that same photo on Instagram, I will have on Twitter, and you guys can just retweet that photo, hashtag Connorkrystmas, and that'll be like your fourth chance, because I know this Minute Controversy palette is like hot, so I want you guys to have as many chances as you can get, the opportunity for those of you who really want it to really get your name in the Goblet of Fire as much as possible, so you can possibly win. And I love the Thirsty palette as well. If I had to pick which Jeffree Star palette is actually my favorite, it's the Thirsty palette. Not gonna lie, there's some sentimental there too. It was my first Jeffree palette, but I really like it. So if you guys want to see me do an eye look, like my eye look that I always do with that palette, I can do that. Just let me know down below. But those are all the different ways that you can put your name into the Goblet of Fire. And yeah, I'll have the information down below as well too, so you can follow along and not get confused. But that is it. I'm pretty excited for this giveaway, and I'm excited about my next giveaway coming up. I'm going to be doing a humongous giveaway when I reach 10,000 subscribers, so get ready for that. If I ever make it to 10,000, I have a really good giveaway in mind. So stay tuned for that. And also, you guys, there might be some bonus items added to this giveaway, by the way. So anyways, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!